stone crab.
I can get him. I'll get him. Pick him up. Got him.
He wants to pinch. You want me to get him?
Mom! He's doing the dab. Mom! I found a crab in here.
Whoa, my son just found this little worm trap just sitting there. So cute. And this other nice little shell. Yeah, Shay. Let's see if this pair is whole. Ooh, that's a nice one. Oop. My crabs are floating away. A giant shark eye moon snail. Little mossy. Might clean up nice, but I don't think I'm going to take this guy. I see a stone crab floating around. A shell. Pretty beautiful. Sad that he didn't make it. But I will keep him. Look at this beautiful true tulip. It's just the top. It would have been such a good one. It has amazing colors. It's red. But it's broken. This one was a nice purple one. Man, I don't know what happened to this guy. He had great color. He's like bluish purple. Okay guys, let's take a look at our beach pets. We got some stone crabs. Some wall crabs. I'm sure that's not what they're called, but they're all hanging out together. Oh man, leave each other alone, guys. No fighting. This stone crab has a bunch of little friends on his back. We even got a little tiny crab. Okay guys, here's our findings for today. We got this beautiful pear whelk. We got some orange horse conchs. True tulip broken. This one's also broken, but not as much.
Mom,
We got.
but I'm gonna fix those.
Okay, thank you. We got some top
I'm
snails.
the builder.
Yeah.
I can build.
We got some stone crabs, some baby ears, Florida